Here come more girls. We're feeding them some eggs we had that accidentally got left out. Whoop. There's the eggs. Not much left. They just love eggs. As long as they're cooked, you can feed them the eggs. Otherwise, they'll learn to eat their eggs raw. That would be bad. She stole that. She's gonna walk over there and eat it. Isn't it funny how they wipe their noses off?
Mama, look, I brought Miss B over here.
Oh, Miss B. Hi, Miss B. You're too close. No, put her down on the ground, honey.
He wants to eat. Yeah, you like that? Oh,
Yeah.
they ate all of that?
Yeah, they like eggs.
Want me to go get some more?
She's so gentle.
Mama,
Hey,
can you
Miss
go-
B.
Should I go get some more for them?
No.
Really extra care of it, right, Mommy?
Yep. You just gotta hold it for her like this so she can peck off a chunk. Just hold still. She liked the yellow part, I guess.
Yeah, I like the yellow part. The egg. Yeah, that's.
Set it down there, Phil. Let her go. Put it back.
Yeah.
Put it in there, Philip Thomas.
Getting in eggs.
Yeah.
He's eating it. Good girl, Miss B. Miss B. Lord. Yeah. 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 She likes it. Getting an egg. She likes it.
Mhm.
And the eggs must be her favorite. She been going to the eggs.
Well, hello, kitty. How are you?
Well, hello.
Hmm?
My little dear kitty. I was learning to eat out of it.
You gonna lick the eggs off my fingers? Or to Miss B.
Miss B. Oh,
Leave her alone, Philip.
Miss B does not like kitties. She's probably gonna be cleaned off. That's what it does. She likes it. Egg? Yeah, egg. Egg?
Gone it is.
Yeah?
Philip.
What? I'm trying to get my bird. That's not your bird. That's dirty. No, my bird's way over here. It's blue.
It's too hot to be held right now.
What?
It's too hot. They're not as gentle as Miss B, are they?
No.
Mm-hmm.
Akko just got stuck.
He's fine. It's because you're chasing him. Leave him alone.
Look at this. Guys, so
All right. Say goodbye, Gracie.
Bye-bye.